How long does it take to get a PAL? The RCMP estimates 45 days to process a PAL application. This includes a mandatory 28-day waiting period for all new applicants who do not currently hold a valid firearms license. What is the process? Submit Form RCMP 5592 with proof of Canadian firearms safety training. Provide 2 references who have known you for at least 3 years. Spouses cannot act as references. Include a signature from any spouse or conjugal partner you've lived with in the past 2 years. The PAL must be renewed every 5 years. The RCMP conducts background checks during this time to ensure all requirements are met. Complete and accurate applications are typically processed within the estimated 45-day period. Ready to start your PAL journey? Visit BC Firearms Academy for free online PAL and RPAL study materials, as well as in-person CFSC and CRFSC courses and core challenges. Get started today with BC Firearms Academy.